focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
Bye, Sonia.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, bringing another Vibes on your table. So when these couples hang out that we were invited, and since we are couples, or are we boyfriend and girlfriend?
We are real couples, original.
I think we're boyfriend and girlfriends that is just wearing ring. Anyways, we are outside town, outside, and they said it's a couples hangout stuff, blah blah blah. I'm here to get all the phone. Yeah. So I'm here to get all the phone, and you guys are going to be getting all of that phone that is going to come with. I'm going to be dropping like bombastic side eyes video, and I'll make sure I vlog enough for you guys so you guys can enjoy. First, if you've not subscribed, please do unsubscribe. Also, let me know what my makeup is giving. I just did this sharp-ish makeup, and I think I'm considering doing my lashes extension. I think I'm considering it, so I might just go and do it. But this one is just normal putting of lashes, okay? And then I'm wearing this black gown, you guys. Yeah, so see you guys later.
Very much single. My phone number choice
bring your indulgence, whoever is there behind, let's just make sure the seats in front are occupied. Thank you very much. Give our HR, please. Double C in the building, I see you. Please let us come forward. Let us come forward. Boss lady, I see you. Come forward. Honorable, most esteemed accountant, Ogabat, please come and lead us in an opening prayer. Thank you very much. You might not know it, but you're a bishop.
And of course, Sammy is also here. Sammy is a man, he's always in our studio here in the GRA. So now he oversleep. And of course, Sky is here. Sky, there here.
Tell us what you just demonstrated. For example, I fit show you Mr. Ibu, you go come here. If they get it, you get 5 marks. Your team gets 5 marks. If they don't, bonus to them. 5 seconds. If they don't, no. Now 20 I still give them. 20. You still have 10 more seconds. Don't say anything, no. Don't say anything. You just have to them. 10 seconds. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. You never watched the movie before? You never watched the movie before? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what I gave to them was 007. You would have just done it. Yeah. Let's have you, sir. Just don't say anything. The prize to them. Okay, Ogabat is here. The you gonna pass on them, you gonna have, oh, Jesus risen, oh, Christ. I guess this has been post nonsense. Studio. Talking. Part of your mandate is also entertain, educate, and inform. This is your questions. So let's know whether you know your husband very well. You understand? I'll ask you, you write, confirm your answers. Is that good? Are we good? How do you look, man? Nice of shoe. Anyway, in my way. Are we good? Are we good?
Sorry, let me join you guys, please.